Today I'm taking a look at this foldable platform truck that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box, get it assembled if it needs it, and then test it out. All right, these are all the parts out of the box, and this thing should be able to handle, it said 1,000 pounds. So I'm attributing that to these large ball bearing casters that it has. It has two stationary ones that are just straight, and then two that do 360-degree swivel. It's also got a manual, of course. It comes with a tool here to help you put this together. If you don't have your own wrench or socket, it comes with all the hardware you need to put it together and this bungee. So everything you need. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing assembled and we'll test it out. All right, I got it all assembled. Wasn't very hard at all. It's got the 4 casters on it. I got the arm raised. I'm going to put some stuff on this and we're going to see how well it rolls with weight on it. All right, so I put on some toolboxes. I'd estimate they're 200, maybe 250 pounds. And, you know, of course, this thing's supposed to handle 1,000 pounds. So I don't think it's going to change the way this thing rolls, but we'll see. And let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's still real smooth to turn it left and right. Still rolls nice and smooth. It does not have stoppers or locks on the casters. So you would have to probably, you know, put it against something to make it not roll, because I think here, even with the slightest pitch of our driveway, these wheels roll really well and it would easily roll down the driveway. It's got little rubber feet on the platform that makes the toolboxes and everything stay on there better. It's really for anything that might slide around. So those little rubber feet all on the top of the platform really help it hold its cargo. And again, it can handle 1,000 pounds. That's a lot for a little plastic cart like this. But yeah, I definitely think it can do it. It rolls really easy. I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.